Alright, so my video this morning did not record the audio, so I'm going to do something really quick. We're talking about ratios today, and we're only finishing a couple pages of this. Right off the bat, we're not doing that because we couldn't do that exercise in class because of all the stuff going on. We probably should be passing papers back and forth. So we're not doing that, but just to read the top part, a ratio is an ordered pair of numbers that are both not zero. And we can represent that with a fraction, or we can represent that with a semicolon like they have the example here. And we're going to be using that one today. So, for example, in the first class that I had, our class had 5 boys, and they had 10 girls. So the ratio of boys to girls girls is 5 to 10. Now a ratio relationship, starting right here, between two types of quantities, such as 5 miles per 2 hours, can be described as a rate. So this here is our rate. So there's 5 boys for every 10 girls. That's our rate. Now a unit rate is how many things we have per one of another thing. So for example, if you go buy a case of water at the store, and the case is $5, but there's 35 water bottles in the case, we'd have to take the $5 divided by $35 water bottles to see how much it would cost per water bottle. So to be more specific, to have an easier example, say it's $3 for a pack of 6 bottles. For 6 bottles, how would we do this? It is $3 for 6 bottles. You would take $3 divided by 6, which equals 50 cents per water bottle. Now, if you happen to go turn around and sell that, like at a concession stand, for $1 a water bottle, you'd be making about 50 cents. Well, you'd be making 50 cents exactly for each bottle of water you sell. Does that make sense? 50 cents per bottle. All right, let's move on to the next part. Now, this is for the class. So this here is actually 7. No, that's 7B. 7B is 6 boys and 11 girls. And class 2, which is 7A, I just had 7B first, is 5 and 10. So our ratio for boys to girls would be, we put the boys number first and the girls number second. And make sure we use our colons. So 6 to 11 for this one. And then it would be 5 for 10. Or 5 to 10. 5 boys to 10 girls for the next one. Now, your job right now, take a second, pause the video, and go ahead and finish the rest of this chart. You don't have to do this. Finish the rest. So pause it, finish the rest, and then we'll move on. I'll finish this chart, and then we'll move on to exercise 1. So pause it, finish it. All right. I wonder if you really paused it or not, but I'm going to go ahead and move on. We have 11. We added them together because it's the whole 7th grade. 11 plus 10 is 21. So our ratio total is 11 to 21. 11 boys, 21 girls. Now, I didn't really go into great detail on this earlier about our unit rate. So this here is our unit rate. That's what the cost is for 1 bottle. Now, real quick, pause, finish exercise 1. I'm running out of time. I'm trying to hurry so I can upload this for you. So Value Mart's advertising back to school sale. A pack of 30 sells for $7.97, and a pack of 12 is for $4.77. Which is the better buy? How do you know? Well, finish this problem real quick. Pause it and finish the problem. This is as far as we're going to get. I'll work this out, and then you can be done for the day. All right, so I'm going to divide this real quick. Just say the cost for one pencil here. So what we're doing is saying the total cost, dividing by the total number of pencils to find the cost per one pencil. So $7.97 divided by 30 is going to give us roughly, we'd round up, 27 cents per pencil. And the other one is roughly 40 cents per pencil. 40 cents. So the better buy, the better deal is the 30 pack. Now, I'll explain more in the next video and get this uploaded so you have something. I'll see you tomorrow. We'll finish